Alright, so I got the wall put up on the passenger side. I think it looks pretty good. The only thing I've got to do on both sides is figure out what I want to do to finish this off right here. But let me show you at the bottom. I realized to take the panels all the way down so they cover those little holes on the bottom, which I did not do over there, so I'll be patching that up. But let me show y'all something. As a van builder, y'all know how hard it is to do these little sides, and I am so thrilled that this came out perfect. This is probably my shining glory. Now I just got to figure out what I want to put back there, but that's okay. Anyway, that's done. I'm excited. So today what I'm going to do is put up the pieces that I got. The bed frame bracket for Willow's bed and the frames that I got from IKEA. I'll show you those in a bit. Bye.